Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a cyborg effect on Higgsfield AI. So let me show you what the cyborg effect looks like. So you can see it, the eyes glows, and all you have to do is to just go to this website higgsfield.ai, and this higgsfield.ai is the best AI video platform that allows you to create mind-blowing visual effects. You can see examples of the visual effects, stunning effects you can actually create with Higgsfield AI. So once you've gone here, you can sign in or sign up. Then once you've done that, go to the visual effects section, then click on the cyborg area. You'll be brought to a page exactly like this, where you can just click on generate, and then to apply this effect you would see that you'll be able to upload your image here. So you can click on this and the image upload box would appear here for you to do just that, so you can see it, but I don't want to do that. So if you have an end frame, you can also upload it. This AI will actually merge both and give you the desired results. So you can also describe the prompt you want to have or see in this particular effect, and you can also choose your model. Now it's ideal for you to actually just generate from here, in that the models are actually attached to the effects. Not that you can't change it, you can change it, but this is actually the best model for this particular effect. But if you do not like this, or you're trying to minimize your credit usage, you can actually click on it and choose any of these ones. And if you're looking for audio, you can choose Google View 3 here, or Fast and Google View 3. Any of them can also do the work. You can click on duration to change it to the one, to a longer one or a shorter one. Like this is 5 seconds, 10 seconds, but this is because of this particular model. Other models will just offer you a single one, like this one offers you 3 to 5 seconds, and some will just offer you 8 seconds, and that's that. So once you're done, click on generate, or you can change your resolution here to the best resolution you want. Click on generate, and then after a few minutes you will have your video ready for download, similar to what I have here. This was the effect I created. Also, this was the video I created using the turning metal effect. So the person turned to metal here. So once your video is ready for download, you can click on it here to be downloaded to your system, and you can use it for your video projects. So if this video has been helpful to you in any way, let me know in the comment section, and let me also know what you think about this particular video. I would appreciate if you would subscribe and even share this video to someone who you know who might need it. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.